Alright, welcome back to another video for my absolute beginner basics series for the absolute beginner basics. Okay, and today I'm going to be talking about volume. Again, Discord is Angel Precision for the Precision House. Watch me do big things with that name. Let's get into it. So I'm going to break down one of the most underrated, but not quite underrated, because everybody knows you need volume. Most beginners ignore it, and that's how they get caught, trapped in positions, and end up losing money. All right. So, what does volume actually mean? Volume actually means essentially the number of contracts or shares being traded in real time at that time. Are people actually participating or not? High volume means conviction, low volume means uncertainty. All right? And if you don't understand conviction versus uncertainty, you will always enter at the worst possible time. Like you will, trust me. Um, does volume matter more than indicators? I think it does. And why does it matter more than indicators? All right? It matters more than indicators, but because you can run more than 100 indicators, but if price is moving on low volume, none of it matters. I personally don't trade with indicators, by the way, but I trade with volume. I'm a purely price action trader, and I trade with volume. Okay, um, volume reveals the truth. Who's in the market? Who's sitting out? Whether a move is real, whether it's just a noise, whether it's a fake breakout. When volume is low, price lies, right? When volume is high, price becomes honest. High volume equals clean moves, all right? When volume picks up, you get stronger candles, clearer direction, better follow through, clearer trends, easier entries, easier exits. This is when beginners say, wow, the market finally looks tradable today, especially when we have trend days. Trend days, strong volume, beautiful. Um, One thing I do want to mention though, we just came off the holiday week of Thanksgiving. Extremely low volume. Extremely low volume. It affected the way contracts move. Um, on Friday, for example, was a half day. Positions that would normally go 100% only cleared 25% max. Volume is everything, okay? Who's in the market, who's not in the market. Now, low volume equals chop and fake outs. All right. When volume is low, it's dire to pay attention. There's wicks everywhere. It's choppy sideways action, price breakouts. Price breaks at level and comes right back. There's no follow through. It's fake reversals. It's shallow pullbacks, and it's absolutely zero conviction. Okay. This is where 90% of beginners lose money. Okay. Because you're trying to force trades in conditions that literally don't support trading. It's not an A plus setup. It's not a good environment, a high probability environment. Okay, um, volume spikes. Volume spikes matter, and they let you know. They give you an idea of what's going on. And I'm gonna go ahead and go on my chart too. It's still on there, and just show you some volume spikes, essentially. When you see a sudden burst in volume, something changed. Traders stepped in, whether that be bulls or bears. Somebody stepped in. A key level broke, and a direction is forming. Volume spikes are usually the start of the move and not the end. All right. The end of a move is when volume steadily declines, and I'll go ahead and show that to you on the chart as well. All right. Now, how do beginners misread volume? Um, Sometimes, more often than not, beginners only look at price and not volume. Volume deserts, volume spikes, opening print volume. So they enter based on emotion. It's moving fast, it broke a level, it's going up, let me chase. Uh, but if the move is happening on low volume, it's almost always a trap, whether that be a bull trap or a bear trap. Um, a trap, nonetheless. Right? So, when is it not a trap? It's not a trap when volume confirms direction. You know, my fucking puppy, bro. Woof. Volume can confirm direction. We want to see a volume spike. We want to see follow through. And we want to see that continue to go through. Now, as a beginner, what should you do with volume? One, go on your trading view and search up volume. Add that to your chart immediately. If you see, I have it at the bottom of my chart. This is volume down here. And right, you can come right over here and you can just see volume right here at the top. Okay? So that's all that is there. Now, what should you do with volume as a beginner? One, identify the trend direction. Okay, any volume spikes, see where we're going with volume. Are bulls in control? Are bears in control? Alright. Look at volume. Only trade when volume aligns with direction. Avoid low volume chop. And trust the high volume follow through. This alone will save you from 70% of beginner losses. That will, and also, you have a 70% higher chance of winning a trade if you enter after 7 a.m. You let the first 30 minutes of market open to go and enter a trade. And you enter the first live 60, 7 a.m. or the first live 30 or 2 hour. 7 a.m. has the highest volume and follow through. If you wait 30 minutes, you have a 70% chance higher of winning. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you some volume spikes. You look right here. Ooh. Is this Friday? What is this? Ooh-wee. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. Let me see here. Let me get out of replay mode. I'm just gonna show you some quick volume. Leave that there. We're gonna delete this. Boom, 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 boom. Look here. It was a Friday. It was a half day. It was extremely low volume to begin. Let's just go ahead and compare. Volume 1.16 million on Friday compared to 1.03 million. 1.6 million. 1.28 million. Okay, maybe volume was regular. Or 2 million here. There we go. Now we're seeing a difference. 2.5 million. Excuse me. 4.51 million on the prior week. 2.38 million. So just going back, you see volume is a little bit lower. Excuse me. Alright, and so these right here are volume spikes. You see how this volume is way higher? This candle is way higher than these ones here. And this one right here is way higher than these ones here. That's a volume spike. Alright. This right here is decreasing volume. So see how we have this candle right here, and then volume is steadily decreasing, lower, 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 and we have a red candle. Red candle right here. We had an outside bar. We fell to stay direction to the upside. Alright. Those are some things to notice. Volume spike right here, and then just look here, volume spike. We got even higher up here, which should have let you know price didn't continue dropping the rest of the day. That was 9 a.m. So yeah, that's pretty much what volume is. It's fairly simple. I highly recommend you have it. And again, another thing to note: 3-minute opening print volume. What is the 3-minute opening print doing? Let's go ahead and show you how to do that. Actually, go to the 3-minute time frame. I do want to find a better date than last Friday. Boom. The first opening print was green. Let's go to the actual number. 625. Wow. This is Monday. Opening print. I like it. It has followed through. We proceeded to be bullish the entire day and have a trend day. Let's go to this opening print here. Green. Again, what happened? We had some continuation, a little pullback, a little range. Didn't do much. Boom. We did trending and pushing absolutely forward. Let's go right over here. Yeah. So that's what I look for. Fairly simple. I probably yapped your ear off again. But if you want me to teach you my private trading system, the one I use for execution, direction, entries, I'm accepting a few new cents to my 4-week mentorship. It is $1,000. Currently, the price will be changing in the next few weeks as I further build and curate my people, curate my team. We're going to raise the prices. I like who I'm dealing with now, who I talk to daily, and I want to go ahead and continue to build that environment for strong traders smart traders, high probability traders, as I bring in more scanners, indicators, quant level data, XYZ. Anywho, all that aside, DM you the word precision 232 if you want to go ahead and learn a bit more about what I have to offer you. Discord link in the bio. Again, let's make money the easy way, y'all. This right here is video like 6 of the absolutely beginner, basic beginner series I'm doing. Let me know if y'all like it, alright? Let me stop this recording though.